ho, ho, friends. We are on day 19. Can you even believe it? I can't. Naughty and nice list. That was all the note I needed. Okay, we're using these ones. You'll love it. This is from this year's Christmas stuff. This was the one set that I was like, okay, that's fun. And it is super fun. There's square silver, gold, red and green, and then I think a sprinkle of tiny gold and silver hollow. Super cute. Those were, I wasn't a fan of this year's Christmas release, but those were the ones I thought were really cute. This is Penny Lane, a partial. This is the Jolly one. What's it called? Jolly Good Fella. I am using this end. The end that's just his hat. I do think this Santa's cute, but I'm never a real big fan of their Santas, so I'm hoping I like this one. We'll see. And I did take out 2 of those because I'm only using the one end of it. This is Sally Hansen Love Letter. Still fairly easy to find. I'm just such a fan of writing strips. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stacy. Welcome to my Sassy Styles. I am a Color Street addict. I'm not a stylist, nor have I ever been, nor will I ever be. But I love all things Color Street and all of Fa's past in Cocoa products. This is one of them. Sally Hansen strips, you know, they're not being made anymore, but you can still get them on eBay and Amazon and wherever. This is one of my favorites. I love a writing strip. I've used the writing strips in so many ways. They don't have to be used just at Valentine's Day as the love letter type of thing. I've used them on 4th of July and during Women's Rights Month to represent the Constitution. I've used them during Christmas time several times, which we're doing again, to represent our naughty and nice list. Really, I've used them a ton. It is a set that I've probably used, wow, it's a little scary to even think about how many sets of that I've probably used, because the writing sets really are my favorite. Oh gosh, I would say getting close to double digits. I love them. I love them. I find reasons to use them, and I keep waiting, and no, they have not returned. So, that's fine. I mean, I have a little hoard of them. Have a little hoard, and I'll keep hoarding them. Isn't that fun? That's a fun little Yule. If you haven't subscribed yet, you guys, do it. We got 6 days left of this fun. Then we'll transition right over to New Year's Eve. Get off me. There we go. I nipped my nail. It's okay. It wasn't much of it. Yeah, I really like that set. It's a pretty green. All right, now, Penny Lane is old, you guys. But the, like, alter ego style sets are the same idea. I was just wanting to use what I had open, and that was Penny Lane. So, here we are. Now, okay, let me get my writing down. Beautiful. These are from 2011. You'd think, being that old, they would have just disintegrated by now. Nope, they didn't. They're still good. These ones weren't even stuck to edges or anything. I find that if they have glitter, they'll be a little more likely to want to stick to the edges. I think it's because they're a little thicker and like, you know, these are printed where those are more like layers of stuff, and maybe stuff kind of wants to whoop, slip right off. Slip right off there. Clean that little bit up. So the reason I want Penny Lane over my writing is in my head. Santa's Naughty or Nice List, the parchment, is like, you know, oldie. It's not a crisp white printed off paper. Although, you know, if he's keeping with the times, maybe it is crisp and white printed off from his iPad or something. Shoot, now I could be all wrong. Too bad, Santy. I'm making you an old handwritten list. Okay, so hopefully this does what I want it to do and isn't too dark, but I don't think it will be because Penny Lane is very, very, oh yeah, A, sheer, but B, B sparkly. You guys, look at it. Now that's the best Naughty and Nice list you ever could see. Oh gosh, love it. So cute. I also have some of the old Sally Hansen that are just the, it's like Penny Lane color without the sparkle. But you guys, when I revamped my binders, oh, what the heck binder I put it in. Like, I was looking through them, couldn't find it where in my head it would have obviously been, right? Like the sheer binder. I don't know where it was. So I spotted Penny Lane and was like, yep, that'll work. And look at it. It's beautiful. It was a good stand-in. In fact, I love it even better. So you could, if you don't have Penny Lane, obviously we have quite a few of these sheer style sets now. So you're not going to be stuck, right? There's lots of options for you. Could even use a jelly. That was my other thought. Maybe was use macaroon. I think that would have worked well. I think there are lots of options. That's my point. Oh Lord, I love it. Okay, good luck to me, Santy. I hope I like this, you guys. Now, I'm flipping mine over because I'm not using Santa. I just want his hat. Honestly, we don't... Okay, listen. Fa, is this a white backing? It is, so it shouldn't, like... A lot of times the white strips are... The Santas would go funny once you put them over your nail because they'd get like a little... off-colored, I guess. But we don't need to have Santa's face done badly, in my opinion. We can just have his hat. I mean, it's a pretty signature hat at this point. And just his hat is enough for us to know that he's here. It's enough for us to know that he sees us when we're sleeping and he knows when we're awake, okay? All right, so there's his little face. Now, I could stick this on here, throw the plastic back over it, and save it. But honestly, I don't feel like I'll use that. I just don't feel like I will. So, I'm just not going to worry about it. And this is cute enough for me. Super cute. Okay. Here we go. This is an easy one, you guys. It's probably going to be like 15 minutes or less. Bing, bang, boom. I also feel like it's a good impact for such an easy one. And, well, short of the naughty list, It's stuff that's in the current catalog. What else could you use for your naughty list? Let me think a second. Ours is definitely the naughty list. That's what we're running over here. Not the nice list. Let me think what else you could use for writing. There's a Valentine's Day one that has writing. Oh, I hate that little perforation. I like that this one, the hat is taller. This one, the hat is so short. There's nothing you can do, girl. My nails are short right now. I'm trying to think what else you could. I bet there's a decal that has writing that you could use. I've never even looked because I've just made it like part-time job to find writing sets. There was lots of in Cocoa ones. There's been like one Color Street one, and these Sally Hansen ones are kind of my go-to faves. So, I mean, there's writing sets out there, you guys. I like that one. So cute. I kind of want to put Penny Lane over the Santa and give him an antique look. Has anybody got thoughts on that? I feel like he'd be more of like a Father Christmas feel then. A little more woodsy. A little more oldie fashioned. Should we do it? Hang on. Before I do my thumbs, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's just go ahead and try it. What's it gonna hurt? Nothing. Antique Santa coming your way. There's so many super cute sets coming up, you guys. Okay, close your eyes in case this doesn't work out. Listen, if I don't like it on this one, I won't do it on this one. Because this one I can take my nail-fee hand of. Because my thumbs are just plain, so I don't got to worry about my thumbs being in the picture. So there. That's the plan. Here we go. Cover your eyes in case you're scared. No, I don't love it. No. Now, I do think if I had found my ones without the sparkle and that were a little softer color, they're more like if you did like a tea dye or a coffee dye on something. This one's just a little too dark, I think. Because it loses his little pom-pom. Yeah, I don't love that. Alright, don't do that, friends. Hang on, let me make sure I got this sealed. This set of Penny Lane has lasted me ages because I only use it as like an accent. And it's an old set, so it doesn't dry up and turn to crap immediately when you look at it. The newer ones cannot say the same for them. I don't know why. Just is what it is. Are you guys glad I'm here to try things for you so you know if it's a good idea or bad? And someone else might love that little Santa hat with the penny lean on it. There, I got that piece of glitter. Oh, but there's another one there. Get in your spot. Don't love it. Love it better plain. Do love that though. I like how random this glitter is on it. Like it's real thick right here. Not as thick at that end. That random glitter is one of those things that you either love or hate, and sometimes you both love it and hate it. Because sometimes on a star set, you only get exactly a half a star. But sometimes, I didn't place that very good. Sometimes you end up with 5 stars. So, you know, it just is what it is. It's a double-edged sword. But I do prefer a random look to a very set placement of stuff. Because I'm really bad at doing things random. When I try to do random place stuff, they always have a pattern. My brain can't help it. Can't help it. Okay. We blew through that in no time, friends. Let's do this side. Very, 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 very cute. Love it. This side, if you want to check out the more muted scent hat. There we go. See you tomorrow, friends.